Homeowners searching for replacement doors Tampa, Florida want stronger security, better curb appeal, and lasting value in every neighborhood across Tampa, Florida. From South Tampa and Hyde Park to Seminole Heights, Davis Islands, and Palma Ceia, Door Replacement Tampa, Florida is one of the smartest upgrades for aging homes, remodeled properties, and storm-ready residences. Whether the project involves residential door replacement Tampa, exterior door replacement Tampa, or a complete home door upgrade Tampa, Florida, choosing modern materials can improve insulation, reduce outside noise, and refresh the entire look of the property. Local buyers often compare custom replacement doors Tampa with affordable door replacement Tampa to balance design, performance, and budget. In Carrollwood, New Tampa, and Temple Terrace near Tampa, many families prioritize energy-efficient replacement doors Tampa for comfort during hot, humid Florida weather. Older entrances often leak air, stick during seasonal changes, or fail to seal properly against rain and wind. With entry door replacement Tampa, front door replacement Tampa, Florida, or energy-efficient doors Temple Terrace, Florida, homeowners can reduce drafts and improve interior comfort while adding a polished, updated appearance. Fiberglass door replacement Tampa is especially popular because it resists warping and moisture, while steel door replacement Tampa offers dependable strength and security for busy households and investment properties. Patio access is a major feature in Tampa homes, making patio door replacement Tampa and sliding glass door replacement Tampa top requests throughout the Tampa Bay area. In South Tampa, Bayshore-adjacent communities, and waterfront-adjacent neighborhoods, sliding patio door replacement South Tampa helps homeowners maximize backyard views, natural light, and indoor-outdoor living. French door replacement Tampa is also a frequent choice for those who want a wider opening and an upscale design that fits both traditional and modern homes. Professional door installers Tampa can recommend tempered glass, impact-rated systems, and low-maintenance finishes for homes exposed to heat, salt air, and frequent use. Weather protection matters year-round, so hurricane impact door replacement Tampa remains essential for storm-conscious property owners in Hillsborough County, Florida. When severe weather threatens, impact replacement doors Hillsborough County, Florida provide stronger defense against wind pressure, flying debris, and water intrusion. Hurricane door replacement New Tampa is especially common in newer communities where owners want code-conscious upgrades without sacrificing style. Storm door replacement Tampa can also add another layer of protection, ventilation, and screening for front entries. For homeowners seeking long-term resilience, replacement door contractors Tampa often recommend impact-rated fiberglass, reinforced steel, and custom entry door replacement Tampa Bay products designed for Florida conditions. Front entry upgrades are often the most visible improvement a homeowner can make, which is why front door replacement Carrollwood Tampa, front door replacement Tampa, Florida, and double entry door replacement Tampa continue to drive strong demand. A new front entry can instantly elevate curb appeal, increase perceived home value, and create a more welcoming first impression for guests, buyers, and neighbors. Wood door replacement Tampa offers classic warmth and architectural richness, while fiberglass door replacement Tampa can mimic real wood with less maintenance. For larger facades and upscale properties, custom replacement doors Tampa and double entry door replacement Tampa create a dramatic statement without compromising energy efficiency or security. In Brandon, Riverview, and the growing suburban edges of the metro, residential door replacement Riverview Tampa and exterior door replacement Brandon, Florida are practical upgrades for homes built during earlier development cycles. Many of these properties have worn thresholds, outdated hardware, and sun-damaged finishes that no longer perform well. Door installation and replacement Tampa services often include measurement, removal, frame inspection, weather stripping, and installation of secure locking systems for smooth, reliable operation. Homeowners looking for affordable door replacement Tampa appreciate options that improve performance without requiring a full remodel, especially when replacing side doors, garage-adjacent doors, or heavily used back entries. Urban neighborhoods and historic districts often need specialized service, making replacement doors downtown Tampa, replacement doors Channelside Tampa, replacement doors Hyde Park Tampa, and replacement doors Seminole Heights, Tampa highly localized searches. In these areas, property styles vary from renovated bungalows and condos to townhomes and mixed-use residences, so custom replacement doors Tampa can be the best fit. Interior door replacement Tampa is also common during renovations, especially when homeowners want a cohesive look from room to room. Matching interior upgrades with exterior door replacement Tampa creates design continuity while improving everyday function, privacy, and sound control inside the home. West Tampa, Town and Country, and Citrus Park homeowners often focus on convenience, speed, and trusted workmanship when shopping for replacement doors West Tampa, Florida, replacement doors Town and Country Tampa, and replacement doors Citrus Park Tampa. Same-day door replacement Tampa may be available for urgent situations such as break-ins, severe weather damage, broken frames, or doors that no longer latch correctly. Local door replacement contractors Tampa Bay understand regional housing types and common installation challenges, from block construction to shifting frames and moisture exposure. Working with professional door installers Tampa helps ensure the new unit fits properly, seals tightly, and complies with manufacturer requirements for warranty protection. Luxury and custom-focused projects are especially common in Davis Islands, Palma Ceia, and upscale South Tampa enclaves where custom entry door replacement Tampa Bay is a major design investment. These homeowners frequently select premium wood door replacement Tampa, oversized glass panels, decorative side lights, or statement hardware to create a distinctive entry experience. Best replacement doors Tampa options in these areas often combine architectural beauty with impact resistance and insulated cores for high-end performance. Entry door replacement Tampa does more than enhance appearance. It can support resale value, improve energy savings, and provide a stronger sense of security for households that want elegance and reliability in one solution. For homeowners anywhere in the replacement doors Tampa Bay area, the best results come from choosing experienced replacement door contractors Tampa with local knowledge and a full range of products. From replacement doors South Tampa, Florida and replacement doors New Tampa, Florida to replacement doors Carrollwood, Tampa and replacement doors Temple Terrace near Tampa, every home benefits from doors selected for style, climate, and usage needs. Whether the goal is interior door replacement Tampa, sliding glass door replacement Tampa, storm door replacement Tampa, or full residential door replacement Tampa, professionally installed systems deliver better performance and a cleaner finish. When quality, speed, and local expertise matter, door replacement Tampa, Florida remains a high-impact upgrade for homes across Tampa, Florida.